Channel 3 early warning weather with meteorologist Mike Cameron.
All right, well, heat, thunderstorms, and the tropics, they're all part of the weather forecast over the next 7 days, in that we have several things going on at the same time. The first thing has been the heat, and that's going to continue on for 2 more days, where we've had temperatures, at least in inland Connecticut, at 90 or higher. And as we've counted those up during the course of this year, we're now at the record for the highest number of days counted at 90 or higher. Normally, you'd see 17 for a year. The record was set back in 1983 at 38 days, and today we saw for 2020 our 38th day, and so here it is. We now are in record territory for the number of 90-plus degree days. Then there's also the issue with showers and thunderstorms, of which we have none now across Connecticut. We were saved by just mere inches in terms of having a severe thunderstorm warning impacting our state. You can see even into Rhode Island, the northern part of that state is impacted. And then there are several of these blinking boxes here up over central and eastern Massachusetts where there are severe thunderstorm warnings for what are clusters of very intense thunderstorms that are anywhere from the Worcester Hills near Barre, Massachusetts, over towards Ware, Massachusetts, and then south and east and all the way into the South Shore. And so these thunderstorms are expected to propagate to the south and to the east. Wouldn't be surprised if we get clipped by some of what's going on out here just to the northeast of Springfield as that's arcing through. So I'd be on the watch in places like Union, Woodstock, Thompson, and Putnam. But most of this activity has been rolling just to the east of Connecticut. And as the sun sets over the next 2 hours, a lot of this will collapse. But what you're seeing is sort of this bowing of this section here. And then on the back side of this, you get this other circulation back here. And that's common with some of these complexes to see that sort of development. So over the course of the next couple of hours, these will collapse. But we could see some more scattered showers and thunderstorms tomorrow. Our Futurecast Tomorrow's Weather Today is going to show that as we go into tomorrow, there is going to be a boundary sitting essentially overhead that's going to get aggravated, and I think we will see scattered showers and thunderstorms here tomorrow, more centered on Connecticut. So I think we'll have a better shot at seeing some of these during the course of the afternoon hours tomorrow. And we'll have to watch the strength of them too, because there'll be enough heat and humidity to propel those air parcels way up high into the sky and make some pretty tall thunderheads tomorrow with anything we see. And then as we get into Tuesday, too, we have another chance for some showers and thunderstorms. Not so much in the morning. It's a quiet morning. But as the cold front approaches from the north and the west, we're going to see another line of showers and storms move through. You can see that this model run isn't particularly impressive, but I think we have a better chance than this of seeing some scattered thunderstorms. And some of those, especially on Tuesday, could be strong, if not severe. The Storm Prediction Center actually has highlighted all of the Northeast in the possibility of some stronger to severe thunderstorms as we look towards Tuesday. And what you're going to see in the early warning 7-day forecast is we are highlighting that as a day that we have an early warning weather alert for. Out there now in Connecticut, it's quiet, just warm as we take a look out over the Connecticut River from Old Saybrook northward to Middletown. And you can see that the skies generally here across the state are blue. And if we see an isolated shower or thunderstorm, we'll watch northeastern Connecticut. We might get grazed by something. And as I mentioned before, we'll watch southeastern Connecticut too. If there's a collision of a couple of different fronts, we might see an isolated shower pop up there. But otherwise, it'll be a quiet night tonight. And then a very warm day tomorrow. Again, highs in the lower 90s, maybe our 39th day at 90 or better. Showers and thunderstorms will be possible tomorrow afternoon and Tuesday afternoon. Tuesdays could be strong to severe. There's an early warning weather alert. Really dries down for Wednesday. Then late Thursday, a warm front snakes its way through. And then as we look towards late Friday into Saturday, we might be having to watch the tropics. There are 2 systems. There's Laura and Marco out there. Both of them are projected to be making their way to landfall. You can see we've got Hurricane Marco that's going to make landfall somewhere along the Louisiana coast. We've got Laura that's also going to make landfall within a day of Marco in the same general area. And the question is, as these 2 systems then come up, especially Laura, will we see something from Laura? The possibility is, with our Futurecast, that we could actually see a tropical connection, maybe some pretty good rains as we head into Saturday, and that would be good news. And that is in your early warning 7-day forecast, Kevin, that we could see a soaker towards next weekend.